something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking, time for the weekend, work is coming to an end.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a really quick, simple install for you, but it's going to be in a chit chat style, so we're going to kind of talk through it. If you are interested in finding out more details about this wig that I have installed and just catching up with me, stick around. Today's hair sponsor is Tinashe Hair. I've actually worked with them many times before. I don't even remember how many times I've actually collaborated with them, but it's definitely a lot. But yeah, I love working with them. They are one of the most professional companies that I've worked with. I have installed a 5x5 HD closure wig. This is in the deep wave texture, and this is the length 22.
So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better. There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
I have my hair slicked back and I have it in a bun, not a bun, a braid, and then I have it kind of tucked up. We are going to be installing this unit. This is what she looks like. This is the knots after being bleached. I slightly plucked her. It's been a while since I've installed a closure wig. I'm just going to put it on without a ball cap. Wow, this hair is beautiful. I do plan on having this wig on for a few days, and lately I've been doing that just so I could also come back and give you guys like updates on the wigs that I'm wearing. So I'm really going to clean the hairline really nicely so there's no products there, and then I'm gonna go in with some scissors. Now if you guys don't own a good pair of scissors, you should definitely invest in some. It really does make a difference. I see a lot of wig reviewers that do this professionally and they use plastic shears. Now I went to hair school, so I know the importance of having a good pair of shears, but it's common knowledge you're just going to be able to do your job better and faster and more professionally. And yeah, it's just something that you need to have. I think if you install wigs regularly, you need to have a good pair of shears. So right now I'm just doing like a zigzaggy pattern. I don't want it to be too straight, but I'm not gonna worry too much about that because it's a wig. You can only hide a wig so much. At the end of the day, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna do a mixture of this Ebon Holding Bond gel and also the Wonder Lace can in the color black. That is the only one I recommend you guys. I'm gonna use my fingertip. Have you guys noticed my nails? Taking a break. After I took off my nails when I got back from my little holiday in Toronto, my nails are so beat up, you guys. So I'm just taking a little break from having long nails. You guys know that never lasts long for me. This gel dries so fast. Like seriously, when you put it on, it dries instantly. Also, side note, this makeup look, if you guys want to see me do this makeup, let me know because I kind of practice this one. It's kind of like a soft glam. That's kind of what I was going for with this look. If you guys want to see me do it, let me know. I got some tips and tricks that I've picked up. Anyways, right now I am layering the gel. So as soon as you put a couple layers of that, it dries. You don't even need the hair dryer for that part. But next I'm gonna go in with the Ebon spray, and I'm gonna spray one spray and then I'm gonna use the blow dryer. You can never have too many. So we're gonna use that little band that they sent. You want to apply a generous amount. You don't want to do it too thin. I also like to do it on warm setting because I feel like it just dries better. Okay, and we're gonna do one more coat of the Ebon spray. But yeah, let me know, you guys, if you want to see this makeup, this like soft glam makeup. I'm no makeup expert, dude. I just do my makeup that works best for me. But you guys need to let me know that you guys want to see that, and then I will film something like that for you guys. Okay, so I'm just pressing her down. It is kind of lifting in some spots. I can see like it doesn't want to adhere right away, so the heat will stick that down. You want to make sure you give yourself a natural forehead. Like I have a really big forehead, so I do tend to put the wig a little bit down, which is also good for my hairline, but I don't want to make it too short where it's like doesn't look real. So I feel like that's a good enough amount of forehead for me. That's looking pretty good. Oh, lastly, I'm gonna go in and put the little melting band on, or melting strap. I don't leave this on for too long. I just put it on and then I go over it with the blow dryer. And I actually press on the band. So I'm not like doing it from here. I'm like pressing on the band.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul.
Oh, this wig is absolutely gorge. I really don't plan on doing anything to the curls. I'm just gonna comb through the bottom. So like I really tried my best not to disturb the curls as I was doing this. We're gonna have to add some baby hairs to cover up that little portion there. And not giving like wig because there's like a ton of baby hairs. Now, I'm not knocking anyone who wears a lot of baby hairs, but I find like the more baby hairs you do, the less realistic it looks. So I try to find a good balance. Sometimes it's challenging because sometimes the wig you have to use, it's like it needs baby hairs, if you get what I'm saying. But this wig doesn't need it. It doesn't need it. I'm just doing it for, I guess, shits and giggles. I can tell that the lace right here, I can see it there. We can use some lace tint. I feel like that's too much hair. That's good. Ow. I'm going for very natural, so I'm using styling foam to lay her down. They're not the same, but they're close enough. Okay, close enough. I will go in and spray it because this one is actually lifting up a little bit and I don't want that. So last thing I'm gonna do, well, one of the last things is try to clean up the makeup. Not the makeup. Try to clean off, wow, I can't articulate myself. I'm trying to clean off the hairspray that got around the hairline there. I mean, this wig is calling for a side part. Like, do you see how she's like, she's there? She wants to be a side part. Like I said, I just let these wigs speak to me. So, side part it is. Wow, this hair is beautiful. Now I'm gonna go back with the styling gel because this stuff is amazing for this. Stick some right here, this little comb. And then I'm gonna go in with some more. Just to separate the part before the hot comb. And because the curls are so beautiful on this unit, I really don't want to go too far down with the hot comb. Like I literally just want to separate the part. That's all I'm really trying to do. So I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. Now, if you wanted, you could be done right here, but we are gonna go all the way extra. Like I said, I want this install to last a few days, so I'm really gonna go over the spots that I see any lace. Look at the part, you guys. Looks good. You don't need anything else. You could stop there, but I am not. I'm gonna define with this palette. I'm gonna go in with colors that are a little bit lighter.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep.
I think now I'm gonna get some foundation. This is not the foundation I use on my skin, but actually no, I lied. Today I did use this foundation on my skin. I mixed it with drugstore foundation. I usually use Fenty Pro Filter, but I was just trying something new and I actually liked how it turned out. Okay, so yeah, hit that good, good, good. Now we're done, but before that, I'm just going to comb through this ever so slightly. Look at those curls, you guys. Wow. And that's it. Easy peasy.
Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby squad up.
Look how easy that was, guys. And it's giving a very much frontal, is it not? Amazing. They said 22 inches, but I feel like they gave me a little bit more. It is 22 inches styled length, you guys. Stretch length, she goes way down. As you can see, we are here for the styled length. What I did to get this wig to look like this is very simple. I did bleach the knots on the wig, but what I loved about this wig, you guys, were the knots were really small. It did look like it was kind of pre-plucked. The knots were really tiny, so when I saw that, I was like, girl, yes. So we're gonna bleach her. And then I plucked a few hairs out of the hairline just along here and whatnot, but I really didn't do too much. So you could pretty much say that this wig will look like this when you get it. And then I let it air dry, forgot about it for a few days, and it was just sitting there calling my name. But you know how it is, sometimes you just gotta get in the mood to like get ready. I don't do my hair and makeup when I'm not filming. I kind of just look like a bum. You guys wouldn't even believe it's the same person, but yeah, I knew I had to get to this wig, and I'm so glad that I decided to put this wig on today and film it because wow, beautiful. The density is where it's at. So the curls dried naturally this way, so I really didn't want to disturb the curls when I was styling her. I was like kind of covering this area when I was blow drying and whatnot because I really just wanted to be able to just kind of comb through her like this with my hands and just leave the curls. Look at it, guys. Look how beautiful the curls are. Like the curls feel very soft. The wig, no smell. I do really love it. You guys know when I really love something, it comes across. Yes, this is a sponsored video, but these are my honest opinions. And I think you guys can tell the difference when something is just okay and then when something is like amazing. Now, this wig is definitely going in the amazing category. Like when it comes to even like the box that they give you, you guys, they give you a really strong, high quality box. You know, it says what you go. Oh, here's the density. The density is 200%. It says it right there. So I forgot about that because when I had filmed the unboxing portion of this video, it was like a few days ago, so I forgot what it was. 200% density, duh, that totally makes sense. It's just beautiful. It's nicely face framing. The curls are a little bit shorter towards the front of the closure portion. Just gives a really natural look. Blown away, 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Anyways, guys, I've rambled on for too long. This video might be too long because I was chit-chatting away. This wig is most definitely Kaviar Kez approved, you guys. If you guys have any questions for me, leave that in the comment section below. A giveaway might be coming up after this one because I haven't done one for I think at least a month or a month and a half. So that's too long. I think you guys need a little something. So I'm thinking about a giveaway, you guys. Stay tuned, subscribe, like the videos, and share the videos, and leave comments. That is a free way helping me out so I can help you in return. Anyways, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.